the next step up would be finding a weight that's fairly light to get started, because this is involving your spine. We want to make sure that you have the right technique and posture and strength to do this exercise. So again, we started with our hands to the side, and then we moved up to having our hands behind our ears to get a bigger stretch when we go down to the other side. So a common fault that we see for the side bends, as we see here, is letting our hips move around from side to side too much, right? So we actually want to see the lower body nice and firm without the movements that we just saw. So if we keep our lower body firm, then we're focusing on the core, the sides to stretch. But if you see that we let our hips go out and we are loose with our legs, we are getting some stretch, but we might get a lot more stretch or take away some of the stretch from the upper body to feel it in the hips and the side of the legs. So if that's the purpose, that's a different exercise. But for beginners, we definitely want to start off by keeping the lower body nice and strong and mainly focusing on moving our upper body, the rib cage and the shoulders from side to side.